Oh, yeah. It's alright.
You doing a video?
Yeah. Now we're here at Ho Chi Minh City International Airport doing some plane spotting here before we catch our flight over to Bangkok. Got a EVA Air 777 here, getting ready to taxi on out to the runway bound for Tapai. Probably about a 3 or 4 hour flight, maybe.
Singapore?
Oh, there's a Singapore 777. Damn, there's like this airport is crazy. Another Vietnam Airways coming in there. That's just a 737 coming in there. Yeah. And 777's a beautiful bird. Yeah, we got several Vietnam Airlines. Got a Malindo. I hadn't seen a Malindo Airlines until today. I also saw our first. Huh? I had no idea. I've never heard of them.
There's Malaysia right there.
Yeah.
Who's this white one?
I can't tell. Yeah. Yeah, I saw our first A350 a little bit ago, and Vietnam Airways Airlines A350 just a few minutes ago. He was taking off. We actually get to fly on an A350 going from Seoul to San Francisco with Asiana here tomorrow night, so that should be cool. They're gorgeous birds.
We saw like a really small one down when we were up here. You
Oh,
saw
yeah.
it too.
Oh, the prop, huh?
Yeah.
With Vietnam Airlines.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are cool. There's another one over here. Another prop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then there's a beautiful Malaysian one there.
That's a big bird right there.
Yeah, the
Not
777.
as big as A380, but still.
Yeah.
I like
Imagine if A380 was here, it would dwarf everything, including that 777.
Yeah.
I love looking at planes, though.
The Singapore's moving the back fins around.
Oh, yeah.
Check up on them. Yeah, I thought it had a GE logo on it.
And a little A320 there with AirAsia. Yeah, that's another AirAsia behind him, too. See a lot of different kind of planes out here.
Oh, yeah.
Overseas. A lot more different than the usual United and American and Southwest you see all over the
Yeah.
States. You see everything at these international airports. It's a lot of fun watching these. See what this purple prop one is here.
I don't know which one that one is.
Just Singapore ones. Go off too. Looks like there's some weather down that way too. A little bit.
I hope we get some turbulence on this.
Oh yeah. Another prop coming in.
Oh yeah.
That's a good shot right there.
Here comes that plane.
Oh yeah, that's what line is it?
That's it, one with the GE logo.
Oh, okay. It's AirAsia. I don't know what airline that is, that little purple one.
I don't know, zoom in. Cambodia.
Oh, really?
Cambodia, something theirs.
It's probably going to Phnom Penh. I heard him make an announcement downstairs for Phnom Penh. That's probably a short flight. That's probably not even an hour. Jetstar's getting ready to go here. Looks like a 737. I flew on Jetstar a couple times when I did my study abroad in Australia well, about 10 years ago now, I guess.
This airplane ain't that big, is it?
Huh?
This one ain't that big. They have like an A380 here.
Oh yeah, there won't be any A380s here. Runway's too short and the
Yeah.
terminals are
Too
not
small.
equipped. Yeah. We'll see some A380s out in Bangkok when we land.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a short hour-and-a-half flight from Ho Chi Minh City over to Bangkok. Here we'll be on via Jet Air. Seen several of those coming and going here at this airport. So ours will supposed to be pulling up to gate 10 here sometime soon. I think our boarding's like at 4:30. It's like a little bit after 4 now.
I'm gonna go back down.
All right. Another one coming in down there.
Oh yeah.
Watch him land and we'll go downstairs.
Alright.
It's like a wide body. Just kind of floats on down. That's another Dreamliner. That's a Dreamliner.